Happy morning, students. Nice to see you all in the next topic of your course, Professional Ethics. Today, we are going to discuss the fourth unit. This unit covers about the ethical activities towards services to access certain obstacles, deployment, the software developers, and their standards. Principles of equal access reveals the topic to achieve the resource to enrich the guidelines and codes of ethics which has the responsibility to balance the conflict interest of the successor, donors, etc. There arises several hypotheses situation which demonstrate the practical difficulties to implement the concept of equal access to the open collection. This also ensures all individuals which can make use of transportation, buildings and facilities throughout the program and their services, employment opportunity and technology which offers the privacy, security and safety. Next, we are going to discuss about the obstacles in accessing every individual leads with the various exercise that are identified for participation of the ethical problem. The next one is the training which manifests to expose different points of view and its judgment to access for individuals. Next, we go to the professional responsibility, which is the area of legal practice that encompasses the duties of each and every authorities to act in the professional manner, which obeys the law, avoid the conflict of interest, and put the interest of client ahead of either their own interest. By this responsibility, when we start to talk with the empowering skills and the workforce extended to the computer programming workplace, this empowering defines as giving the workforce more power and flexible in doing the task in order to achieve their work related to goals. This also encompasses action beyond solely increasing the employees' participation in discussing the decision making process. Another major important related to the employee empowerment initiates also which promotes the employee skill since adequate the skills which are conditioned to make proper discussions. Next, coming to the topic of the ethics for software engineering, which standardize the business and the software development, which can improve their understanding of their responsibility to society and how to act on it. It can also helps to decide which company to work for or how to behave ethically in their own business. Every software engineer should focus specifically on the issues that related to the practice within the software disciplines which focus during the construction of their coding system. The first they have to define the profession association authorization, then governing the power with respect to the members and non-members alike. Later, the principles of ethical conduct to prepare professional engineering for the fulfillment of their duty to the public. The next topic we move to the computer and the internet, how they play on ethical which are carried out. As the first one we talk on the acceptance. This is the primary component of our society. Next one is the understand the sensitivity of the information where no national or cultural barrier should be identified. Next is do not provide our personal information to any stranger because it might be misused. Avoid the use of rude or bad language, which is an social network. Everyone should be respect the person on other side. The last one is no copyrighted material, which clearly defines should not be copied or downloaded or shared with others. The next topic is the software engineering code of ethics and their practice. Every software engineering code of ethics and the professional practice indent as a standard for teaching and practicing every software engineering activities to document their ethical and professional responsibilities. The code should be instruct to be standard. The task of force should be professional. Then last, the topic which we are going to discuss related to the software engineering activity is quality management standards, which requires the detail of requirement, the specification, and the guidelines towards the characteristic focused on the deployment of their product, services, and the process, which all ensure as given as their quality matches expectation, they are fit for purpose, they met the needs of their user. At last, we say thanks for watching this presentation, and I ensure all are clear in the above discussion topic. Thank you.